What's up, guys? Jeremy Coates Outdoors. Thank you for coming in, joining me on this new episode. Going out to Lake Hollingsworth this morning. It was raining early this morning, and it cleared up. A little bit windy, so the wind played a factor. Will play a factor in the video, but hopefully it's not too bad. It kind of calms down after a little bit, but all in all, it was a really good day. Hope you guys enjoy the catches. Got a few of them, so it was a good video. Yeah, that's about it. But I appreciate you guys coming along. Have a good one. What? What? No. I gotta clean it out and we're gonna go inside. Well, they're on the video. It is super windy. Gonna be hard to fish and film and make it all look good, and sound good. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Light conditions right now. Overcast. I'm throwing a chatterbait. Kind of a more natural colored chatterbait. I think I want to switch my jig. Swing jig here. A little weedless. A little bit more weedless presentation. Woody! That wind, man, is gonna be fun today. Not today! Not hardly working out. The old frog-a-log. I want to get over there, but I think I need to raise my trolling motor up. Dadgummit. Missed it. It missed it. But I missed him missing it. Well, now that was a heck of a cast for the Fluke. There goes fish. Oh no. There it is. This is my first Fluke fish. Come on, baby. First Fluke fish ever. Right there, baby. Thanks, Hayden. This is all for you, buddy. Haha. Right there in the lip. Wow. That is one on the board, baby. On the board. Number 2 on the Fluke. This is definitely white. Gotta go white. There it is, baby. Number 2 on the Fluke. Boom. Hayden, you're ridiculous. Boom. Yeah, come on, baby.
He hit that thing. It was way out there. Yes. First one on the frog. Yes. And you got, look at this. Look at that hook. Boom. That's how you want him. He ain't coming off. He is on for good. Yes. Buzz toad. Boom. Right there it is. Ha Yes, sir. Ain't nothing real big about them, but sure is real fun. Ah, son of a gun. I hate this more than anything. I just want everybody to know. I wish I had a reel that could cast this thing without getting a backlash. And it frustrates me to no end. I get it. I know I'm throwing into the wind. I get that. And I get it. It is a weightless bait. Goodness. It drives me crazy. I just want to catch fish without getting the backlash. That's it. That's all I want. Is that too much you ask for? I mean, come on, guys. I need a big fish to just be like, hey man, I'll eat you. Because that's what the big fish sound like. Yes. Fish number 3 on the Fluke. Hey, easy. Alright, easy. Here we go. Look at that guy right there in the mouth. Boom. Again, not a giant, but decent. It's a fish. Come on, buddy. Let it go. It's funny because that's exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to get back there in that corner to be able to get the. There we go. I wanted to get back there so I could get that Fluke back there, and there's one sitting back there. Little guy, but he'll do. Another Fluke fish. Can't be a fluke if you got 3 of them. I'm just saying. Yes, sir. I'm running out of flukes. Look at that. It just tears it up. One fish is all it's good for. Ooh, that feels a little bit better. A little bit. There it is. Yes, upgrade. About a 2-pounder there, maybe. There it is, man. Yes, they're getting better. They're getting better. Woohoo! I'm gonna take a picture of this guy. This is the best day of fishing I've had in a long time. Nice. Heck yes. Yes. So what I'm using today, which I don't I've never really used that much, but my buddy Hayden that keeps coming with me fishing, he swears by the Fluke, and so that's what I'm using. That's the Fluke part, and then I got it on a 4/0 wide gap hook, and that's it right there. That is the combo today. I had white. I was using a white Fluke, and now I switched to this because all my white Flukes are gone and damaged. So I switched to this gray one. That one right there. That's the combo, man. And it's working. Good job, Hayden. I appreciate it, man. The only thing I don't like about Flukes is they last one fish and then they're trash. But if it catches them, it catches them. Reverse that. One thing about Flukes that are really good is they're really actually very inexpensive. So even if it's one fish per Fluke, it doesn't really matter. They're not that expensive at all. There it is. Weightless. I got it on 20-pound braid. Throwing it on a 7-foot medium heavy rod. It's a Daiwa. I got a Piscifun Torrent that I'm paired it with. This combo together cost me about $75. That's it. So, and then the fishing line was free from Cast King. Let's see if we can get another one. Love it. Throwing a weightless bait in the wind is not always that easy. Another one. Dang it, man. You just can't beat this. Alright. Open your mouth for me. There it is. Dude. I mean, even if they're smaller, still, I mean, that's about a pound. I mean, you can't beat this. You just cannot beat this. This is fantastic. Feels like a better one. Yeah. Oh boy. Come on. Oh darn it. It is not a better one. Just on some stuff. That's alright. Alright, fishy. Come on. Get you into the gill a little bit, buddy. Another 1-pounder. We'll take it. Yeah, there it is. Yes. Right in the top of the nail. Bam. Well, guys, on that note, boom. I appreciate you guys joining me for another episode of Jeremy Coates Outdoors. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button. Appreciate it. We're going to let this girl go. Boom. That's why I came over here, right here. There it is. Appreciate you guys.